This brand can be purchased directly from the manufacturer through their Amazon store. They offer standard efficiency units for indoor installation, but their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The FVI12 series offers water heaters with mechanical controls and a 4-gallon per minute flow rate, while the S12-A models have electronic controls. The S12-A model is Wi-Fi enabled for control and monitoring through their smartphone app, as well as with voice commands from Alexa and Google. The units require semi-annual descaling to maintain rated operation, and they use stainless steel venting, which is more expensive than condensing water heaters that use PVC pipe for venting. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy.